But for STEM learning ecosystems, after-school programs would have fewer opportunities to really engage in STEM learning.
We wouldn't be able to do as much as we're able to do in rural, challenging demographic areas if we didn't have that collaboration.
For the STEM learning ecosystems, we'd all be going our own separate ways, developing pockets of excellence in STEM, but never doing enough to bring those entities together to solve the major problems of our day.
What we're doing is bringing some of the success stories to them, and then we're turning and allowing each of them to use the resources of the room and the resources of our nation and the reports that are out there to begin to design their own workforce initiative.
Because of STEM ecosystems, there's this opportunity to connect with colleagues around the nation around challenges and opportunities that we have.
I'm experiencing the fact that we are unable to hire the talent that we need because there's such a wide variety of jobs available to the students, and plus they don't know about what we do. So now it's about not only access and equity, but it's also about providing students, learners, future, career explorers about all the opportunities that are available to them.
There's an African proverb that says, if you want to go fast, go alone. But if you want to go far, go together. Yes, there will be struggles along the way. Yes, it may also seem progress is moving at snail's pace. And yes, there are some inherent challenges to an ecosystem approach, such as measuring its effectiveness, resourcing. But the benefit in working together far outweigh these challenges.
It's very important that ecosystems consider what it takes to go from the beginning to a job. Often I think we don't think about that, and it's critical that ecosystems do.
I mean, it's really important that every kid has this staying in STEM, because if we wouldn't have that, we wouldn't have our future mathematicians, engineers, technologists, or like people who want to be scientists as well.
Because of the STEM ecosystem, I feel more empowered and I feel like I can actually make a difference in this world.
Strong STEM ecosystems are critical to meet our nation's workforce needs. In the next decade, strong skills in science and technology are critical to preparing workers in my state of Arizona and across the country for the many high-paying jobs of the future. What's clear is that we have to act now to create pathways for Americans to develop STEM skills both in and out of the classroom.
Because of STEM ecosystems, we have